In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit the mobile view of your WordPress site, ensuring that your website is not just desktop friendly, but also offers a seamless experience on mobile devices. As more users access websites from their smartphones, optimizing for mobile viewing is crucial. Let's dive right into it. To start, navigate to your WordPress dashboard. Here, you might initially consider going to Pages, where you'll see all the pages listed on your site. While you can indeed perform certain mobile edits this way, there's a more comprehensive approach we'll explore by focusing on appearance. The appearance section is where we can deeply customize the mobile version's look and feel. Head over to the Appearance tab, which is located in the sidebar of your dashboard. Once you click on it, you'll notice an option for Customize. This is a powerful tool that allows you to modify various aspects of your theme, and it includes options specifically for mobile optimization. Inside the Customize section, you can choose the specific page you want to edit for the mobile view. In this example, I'll walk you through selecting a page and clicking on it to start customizing. Once you've selected your page, keep an eye on the lower left corner of your screen. There, you'll find an option to enter mobile preview mode. This step is pivotal as it lets you view and tweak the mobile version directly, ensuring every element appears correctly on smaller screens. Now that you're in mobile preview mode, you can begin making changes. Let's focus on colors first. By clicking on colors, a whole palette unfolds, allowing you to play with different color schemes to find what best accentuates your brand. From here, feel free to experiment until you find combinations that enhance readability and aesthetics. After adjusting colors, you might want to switch focus to layout adjustments. Click on Back to return to the main customization area. Under Layout, you can tweak various parts of your site, such as the header, primary navigation, sidebars, footer, and even the blog section. These elements are vital for ensuring usability, as cluttered or misaligned components can deter visitors. Finally, look for an option labeled Change, which lets you apply final adjustments or further alterations necessary for a polished appearance. Throughout this process, don't hesitate to preview your changes regularly, ensuring each modification aligns with your vision for a mobile-friendly site. And there you have it, a straightforward introduction to editing the mobile view of your site using WordPress. With these steps, you're well on your way to providing a smooth, visually appealing mobile experience for your users. Remember to save your changes before exiting to ensure everything you've edited reflects on the live site. Happy customizing!